This 2026 Forest River Sabre 36 FLX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bath, Pennsylvania, 18014 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Behtlehem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a coffee and cream interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.